Hey there gamers, it is me HLModTech and I'm back with another episode of my tested series. Today, as you can see, we are testing a sweet set of professional gaming headphones from Muse. Now you can see that I found these on Amazon and you can snag them for about $22. They have large drivers and built-in 7-in-1 sound. Very comfortable, and I like the way the microphone moves and adjusts. It's one of the most flexible ones I've ever worked with. I also like the controls. They have got the controls for the LED. You can see those are on and off. And of course we got the microphone on, and we need that because that's how I'm recording this audio. And then there's also a volume roll, so you can dial it up to whatever volume you need as you game. Alright, so let's play my favorite game. I am in Besiege, which is a building game. This is different from me having my ears covered as I record. Usually I record training videos, but this is pretty sweet recording these as well. The audio is nuts compared to just hearing myself talk. So in Besiege, you have to build a machine that'll take out whatever their objective is. This one is to kill everybody, which is entertaining and probably also evil. But it's still kind of fun, and the sound effects with this headphone is just awesome. So this vehicle is super simple. It just drives forward and back. It's got the little auger on the front to take people out. I'm going to just drive out of the arrow's way and then forward. Slowly I'm getting my way through all these people so I can hit that 70% objective, because you gotta win. It's all about the wins. I'm gonna get close to these guys so that they come and attack. And let's go through here and find up. We'll kind of clean up. This is a simple little build, but it is entertaining. Oh, I lost a wheel. Am I still gonna make it? Let's see if we can take out the dudes with the arrows. Yes, we are close enough to do that. I am so close to completing the objective. I think I need to take out 2 more. Come on. How can you get this close and not get the objective? Seriously, 1 away. How about, there we go. Boom. Zone conquered. Alright friends, the game is silly, but the headset is awesome. It is comfortable, it is immersive, I can see playing forever, but I'm going to cut it short because the family's got things for me to do. Friends, if you found the video useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching, have a great day.